Hello, my name is Corey Washington, and I am a teacher trainer in the Division of Curriculum and Instruction in East Orange, New Jersey. Welcome to this overview of the New Jersey Student Learning Standards 8.1.2 K-2 Networks and the Internet. 8.1.2 NI K-2 Networks and the Internet is designed for students to understand that computing devices do not typically operate alone. Most devices are connected to other devices in order to send, receive, and store information and resources. Cell phones, smart TVs, laptops, and tablets use computer network to communicate with other devices. The main goal of this strand is to ensure that students understand that computer networks are used to connect an individual's device to other devices. Computer networks come in many different sizes. Some networks are small, like the one they have in the classroom, which allows all computers to print to the same printer. And some are very large, like the World Wide Web or the Internet. Why it is important to use safeguards to protect ourselves and our personal information or data. We use authentication measures like usernames, strong passwords, fingerprints, and facial recognition to help identify ourselves. Provide examples of why access to devices need to be secure. Explain why password information should not be shared. Although the goal appears daunting, it is manageable with preparation and planning. Remember, you have 3 years from kindergarten to grade 2. The following recommendations are proposed for you. Download the NJSLS standards and read just the strand. Do not focus on all of it. Just look at the material needed now. Save the rest for another day. Reach out to your technology supervisor and request training. Create a YouTube playlist of age-appropriate videos that explains what a computer network is and does. Provide examples of what a strong password versus a weak password looks like. Create log-on cards for every student. Allow daily practice. Create large posters for a word wall that shows the following: what a computer network looks like, strong versus weak passwords, how to log on and log off the computer system and learning management system, why it's important to keep your password private. Create pre-test and post-tests. Start with simple explanations and work towards more detail. Scaffolding for kindergarten. Regularly review the material in the posters, working on the identification and pronunciation. Discuss the user authentication process and why it is important. Practice the log on and log out process daily. End the year with a post test. Scaffolding for first grade. Step back. Give the students a picture test. For example, the grade K post test. Assess data to determine if grade K material was mastered or if grade K material should be your starting point. Create a pre-test that focuses on key vocabulary words and concepts. Create activities for students to practice identifying strong versus weak passwords. As students develop expertise independently logging in and out, have them explain the importance of the authentication process. Students should know that there are different size computer networks. Some are small and some are large. The Internet is the largest network in the world. Create assignments, projects that allow them to draw and or write to explain how they access the Internet and the places they visit. End with a post test, which should require students to match pictures with words. Identify weak versus strong passwords, multiple choice questions. Write A sentence or two about the importance of the authentication process. Scaffolding for second grade. Give the students the post-test from grade 1. Assess scores to determine your starting point. Make sure students understand the importance of the authentication process. Make sure students understand that computer networks provide the method by which devices connect and communicate with other devices around the world, and that the internet is the largest network in the world. Create assignments that require students to write a strong password and explain why it is strong. Create a project for students to present information about the sites they visit online. Tests to ensure that they can log on independently. End with a post-test. This concludes our review of CS 8.1.2, Networks and the Internet. I hope you are ready to join other teachers throughout the state of New Jersey on this journey. Most importantly, breathe. Do not stress yourself out. You will get better with planning, practice, and time.